paid my dues, time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes I've made a few. I've had my shadows and kicked in my bed, but I've come through. I need to go on. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Najlepša hvala, ko ste prišli, ko ste nas sprejeli v tako velikem številu, čeprav je ura že res zgodna, kmalu se bo začel za njih. Hvala, ko ste navijali doma pred televizijskimi ekrani. Upam, da ste uživali, pa da ste še bolj pobliže spoznali Ljudo.